Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Zero Coder. Okay, today we are going to solve this problem to sum. This is the first problem in Leetcode. So already I have solved, but I want to revise this all problems. Actually, I solved 223 problems, so I want to revise those problems with you guys. Please uh, try to see complete video. If you have any doubt, please comment out. Okay, and why I do this video, because I want to improve my skills, my communication skills. Let me know after this completion of video with my communication skills. So thank you. Okay, let's start the question. So two sum problems. Here they give the two sum problems. Here two sum problem is nothing but a here they give one array and one target. So in that array, if you add any two numbers, okay, any two numbers, that must equals to target. So here we have to return that two values indexes. Okay, did you understand, guys? What is the question? Okay, here write the code, and I already solved this question. So first of all, we have to write brute force approach. After that, I will tell you a better approach and optimal approach also in another video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about brute force approach. Okay, guys. Here, let us take here. This one is example. Here, here they give an array and target. Here, just wait. Yeah. Okay. So this is the target. So if you add any two values in this array, that must equals to the, not must, if it is equals to the target, then we have to return those indexes, okay, those values indexes. Otherwise we have to return -1. Okay, otherwise we have to return -1. So first consider physically I want to do this problem. So if you add if you suppose, let us take 2. If you add 2 and 7, what will you get? 2 and 7, 9. So what is this index? 0 and 1. So you have to return those indexes. Okay. Next, if you suppose there is another value, so you have to add 2 and 11. Okay, 2 and 11, 30. So it is not equals to the target. So go to the next. Okay, it is 17. It's not equal. So then you have to move. So okay, 1 minute. I will tell you. Here we have to take two variables in brute force approach. Here I'm taking I for outer loop and J for inner loop. Okay, guys. Here, here first of all, outer loop will run. Okay. Next, inner loop run how many times? N times. Okay. Outer loop run N times and inner loop run N squared times. Yeah. Is this correct? Okay. Now, if you choose, sorry, I value here, then J value here. So if you add those values, then you will get the target. Okay, 9. So then you have to return I and J values. Okay, I and J values. Otherwise, you have to increment J value. Okay, until 10. sorry, until n minus 1. Okay. Yeah, I think you clear this problem, this brute force approach. Uh, Now try to execute the code. After that, you will get proper logic. Okay. Yeah. Here, here I choose to solve the issue. Here I choose VS Code. Okay. After that, I will write that code in Leetcode also. I will execute those code, that code. Okay. VS Code is a better than the Notepad. Okay. It has a better features and also has a better extensions to execute the programs and also develop. Most of the cases VS Code I use the development. Okay. No. Uh, Here I don't want to waste my time. So here first of all you have to initialize an array. Yeah, this is the best feature in this VS Code. Just wait. Yeah. Okay. Now you have to create one this method to some method public. Here we are not creating any object for this class, so that's why you have to initialize with static. And here we are returning an array for indexes. Okay, to some and in nums you have to pass. You have to take parameters as a one array and another one is target. Okay? Yeah. Here, if you did not get any values or any indexes, then you have to return simply you have to return new int -1 comma -1. Okay, guys. Yeah. Here you have to write two for loops. This is n square. N square. It is a brute force approach. That's why it's take n square time complexity, and the space complexity is not take much more. So the space complexity is big of n. Okay. Here I is equals to 0, I is less than nums dot length and I plus plus. Sorry. Here I am using post increment. Okay. Next condition for int j is equals to 0 less than, sorry, nums dot length j plus plus. Here I'm writing one condition. If I not equals to j. Okay. Because suppose let us take an example like 10. If you have a array like 5 comma 5 comma 2 comma 3, so let us I will write here 2 comma 6 comma, wait, I'll show you here. Suppose if you have array like 5 2 5. Okay, here we are using brute force approach, so I and j pointed here. If you not write this if condition I not equals to 0, then if you run this code, then I and j points first value, so the target is 10. So if you run if you run without this condition, this brute force approach will return same index. Okay, I and j, that's 0 index 0 comma 0. This is a error here. This is not a correct answer, so that's why here I am writing one condition. Okay. Yeah. Now after that you have to use one variable like sum, then you have to add. Okay, you have to add nums of I plus nums of j. Okay, if if sum equals to target, then you have to return, sorry, my bad, new, ah, this one. Okay, this is a why I got this error because okay, the spelling mistake. Wait, yeah, now this one correct. You run this code, yeah, 0 and 1. I got the correct answer. So same this code I write here. I write, yeah, here I written the code. If you run this code, then think it's done good. Yeah, it's accepted. Then if you submit this code, yeah, it's acceptable. The time complexity, yeah, here I said we go of n square. In the next video, I will tell you better approach and also optimal approach also. Okay, thank you.